Alright, chat, so we are in the big all cargo van. Looks like it's pretty much warmed up. We're ready to go, just gotta wait for Dad to come out. And then we can go to the Arnold Motor Supply. Okay, chat, update, we got the parts. This one's the fuel filter. I think the rest of the stuff's in the back of the van. Is it? Yes. Alright, yeah, he says it is. Alright, so we're gonna drive on over to my dad's shop and we're gonna... Oh wait, no, we're gonna drive home first to fit... sorry, I can't speak today. We're gonna pick up my car and then we're gonna drive it to the shop. And then we're gonna fix my car. Alright, update, we are home and we got the whip over here. We got the door opener for Dad's shop because we got the big old garage doors there that I gotta use an opener to open. Oh yeah, I forgot I locked my car. So I'm gonna unlock it, then we're gonna get inside and we're gonna drive to the shop. Alright, we unlocked it. Do not question why I named my car Emmy. Get the key in. Kind of hard to do with one hand. There we go. It's ding, ding, ding. All right, now to start the engine. There we go. All right. I also don't question. Yeah, just don't question why I apply the parking brake every time I come to a stop. Yeah, I call it the parking brake, even though everybody else calls it the emergency brake. All right, let's start the engine. Thank goodness that was a fairly easy start. Because sometimes when it's warm, it just doesn't want to. And sometimes it even stalls out on the road. So, I'll whip on over there. See you guys at the shop. Alrighty. We're here. Alright. Alright, so... he's finding his snap ring pliers. Just gotta look at the clip. We might be burning some. Oh well. Alright, he found one. Alright, so anyways, this part right here is the fuel pressure regulator, guys. That's what we have to replace. So, we're gonna get on to it. Alright, I couldn't record because we were kind of busy working on the car, but we put this shiny new fuel pressure regulator in. Hopefully this will solve our problem. I think I can turn this off now. Let's get this off. Okay. I think that's everything. Except for the old fuel pressure regulator, which we lost in the engine compartment.
Oh yeah. That's one.
That's the one thing we couldn't get out.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, you too, clean lady. Don't know your name. And since I'm the one who's recording, chat won't know your name either. Alright, let me close this hood.
Well.
Alright. Moment of truth. Here's the key. Started perfectly when warm.
That was fast. Did we just fix this thing?
I think so. 110,663. That's our odometer reading.
Okay.
Alright, shut her off.
Yeah.
Because we don't want gases building up in the shop.
And pop the hood again.
Yeah, Dad wants to look for that old fuel pressure regulator, chat. I like how the struts kind of assist you in opening up the hood.